guys.
Hi guys.
Today we have Fidgets.
Yeah!
Hello everybody. Today we are playing with Fidgets.
With Lola and Daniel.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Say hi guys.
Oh!
Wow, Lola, what are those? Fidgets?
Yay!
Today Lola's playing Fidgets. What color do you have over there, Lola? Ooh, look at that blue one spinning. Wow, you got orange and yellow. And brother Daniel got blue spinning. Whoa, and white too. They're everywhere. As you can see, Fidgets are like the hot toys these days. They're super cool. They spin and spin and spin and spin forever. Red Fidget, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yellow Fidget, where are you? Here I am, how White Fidget, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Whoa! Landed right on. White. Where's orange?
Now. That's it. Red. Oh. Red.
Let's see how long this white Fidget spins. Thank you, Lola.
Welcome. Woo!